At JHF, each machine harbors the unique wisdom of our team. Our hybrid machines vacuum platform ingeniously combines the smoothness of rubber conveyor belts with the structural design of striped grooves, providing a solid foundation for the smoothness and quality of printed images. Our flatbed printer vacuum platform has also evolved through countless design iterations to form a unique large hole and small hole structure. This design, which was initially pioneered by JHF, has now become widespread in the industry. It not only significantly increases the vacuum area, but also enhances the vacuum pressure, reaching 10 times that of traditional designs. This innovative design ensures the vacuum force and stability during the printing process, resulting in precise image reproduction and a mirror-smooth finish.